Tesla. Let's talk about Tesla. Apparently, they might get you this Cybertruck earlier than originally expected. And I think this rush makes a lot of sense. I think this is a critical vehicle. As crazy as it looks, when this thing hits the road, people are going to be talking.
Right.
I'm just telling you, man. When you start seeing these around town.
Yeah, I'm excited to start seeing them.
It's just changed the whole landscape.
Yeah, it's so unique.
And the way that it's completely steel, you know you're going to see it because it's going to be reflecting light in all kinds of crazy ways.
Yeah. And it's actually nice to see this literally in the parking lot.
It's crazy.
There's no context to it.
It's crazy that they're actually making it.
It's not like a beauty shot or anything.
It's crazy that this is a real thing still at this stage. Like, we're still not used to it. I need to see them on the street. I know some people have. Anyway, yeah, I just feel like it's going to just blast Tesla awareness even higher than it already is. I mean, it's obviously super high, but also just the truck segment is so enormous in North America, such an important segment, and there's no real electric play yet. Now, there will be soon all kinds of options, but for now, there's not a lot to choose from. And then this one comes out and people start saying, oh, you can have an electric truck too. Cool. Anyway, in an effort to bring Cybertruck to market as soon as possible, Tesla preparing a pilot production line and planning details for its production at the Fremont factory before things are even finished in Texas. So they're completely ready to go to expedite the process. Apparently, pre-orders surpassed 700,000.
Wow.
That's a lot of Cybertrucks. 700,000. Now, I don't know how you corroborate such a thing, but also you got to remember it was a small down payment. I think
was it $100?
I don't remember. 500?
No, it was 100.
Did we do this on the show? Or like?
No, you did the Model S.
No, I ordered this too, I think.
You did, yeah.
But
I believe it was 100.
I mean, that's crazy. To call it an order and only require 100, which is refundable. Oh, yeah, look, fully refundable. What does that say?
This is Canadian, 150.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's kind of crazy.
That's cool.
What is the purchase price for the tri-motor all-wheel drive? Does it tell you?
Wait, hold on.
I can't see. Oh, you got to click buy now. Okay, here we go. What? No. Interesting. Wait, what? Is it cut off on my monitor that I'm looking at here? Can you see the actual price anywhere?
I don't think so. I don't see it.
It's just like find out later. They have the price for full self-driving.
I don't know.
It was up there before, for sure.
Was it?
You're sure it's not cut off on the right-hand side?
I don't see it.
Oh, you see the whole frame?
Yeah, I see everything.
Interesting. I don't. I get the subpar display.
Okay.
Anyway, whatever.
Well, I can look for it.
Yeah, tri-motor Cybertruck price. I can't remember. Was it like 75,000? 80,000? It starts at 40,000. Maybe they didn't say. Maybe they just said starting at 40,000. I don't know. Oh, there we go. 70,000. The tri-motor is 70,000 US, which is 90,000 Canadian. So we weren't too far off. Fun.
That's pretty good.
You're happy about that?
Pretty good price.
You're happy about that?
Maybe I should get two.
That's no big deal for a guy like you.
Mine as well.
No big deal for a guy like you.